going on, guys? This is Danny from Slow Restoration, and we have the Turbo GMC hooked up to the 20-foot trailer again. And the last time we had this trailer hooked up, we hauled this truck, and today we're hauling it again. So today it's actually going to its new owner. He's going to do some pressure washing and cleanup work, paint the frame while the bed's off, and bring it back to us for a dually swap. So, and most likely an LS swap. Still gathering parts for that, but anyway, this video is going to be about the Turbo GMC pulling. Towing does extremely well. So let's go ahead and get the ramps down, get this square body loaded up, and we'll give you some sound clips. Different angle on the GoPro this time in the back. Should still get some good turbo sound, exhaust sound from the Turbo GMC, but we're obviously, as you saw, we're facing back towards the load, so you can see we are loaded, and it gives us a chance to see how that that load rides down the road. So anyway, we're going to get cruising on here, and we got a little bit of a drive, not too bad, but enjoy the sound. Traffic on the Conowingo Dam, but if you guys are ever in this area or just want to see bald eagles, definitely stop by here, because as you can see down there, you might be able to see that there's a ton of them around here. They're flying all around. There's no way you can not see a bald eagle if you come here. that pull up. It was a pretty good hill. There's another pretty good hill here, and I've showed this many times before. And there goes traffic again. So we got to slow way down to like 40 miles an hour. So I've showed this before, but we're under. Turn the lights on here. We're under 200 degrees, and this thing does have a Yank Pro Truck 3200 stall in it, so you can tow with the stall converter without too many issues, as long as everything else is healthy and you have enough power to do it. I think the old saying, well, the stall converters have improved tremendously, and the Yank Pro Trucks are really, really good converters. This is a triple disc lockup converter, billet front. But I think a lot of it came from, you can't tow with the stall converter because of the heat. I think years ago when trucks just did not have that much power, the converter was just allowing it to slip pretty much to compensate for the lack of power, like towing up hills and stuff, and it would just smoke things. But obviously the GMC's got plenty of power, and it just allows the converter just allows this thing to work and tow amazingly. Keep their speed up a little bit and we can roll into it, and I'll show you the boost gauge. It just went into lockup. Ease on the gas, and the boost comes right up. Right down to there. Just easing on the throttle. I probably have maybe 8 1/4 pedal throttle down. Just kind of regulating it. We're behind slow cars still. I don't know how good of a sound clip we're going to be able to get today because people are just driving ridiculously slow. It's 47 miles an hour and we're just kind of putting along here, but it is what it is. We're in traffic and it's Saturday. People aren't in a hurry apparently. Pressure washer all set up, ready to go. He's going to get that taken care of, and then we can bring it back and get everything swapped over. Anxious to see. He's supposed to send some pictures, so if I have the pictures by the time I upload this, I'll include them on how the truck came out. But anxious to see if all that white paint blows off and it's got a nice patina under it. That would be really awesome. So on our way back home, if you don't know this truck, there's a whole playlist on this truck. We did a ton of videos. It's a 2004 2500 HD GMC Sierra, 6-liter, of course, LQ4. It's got a rear mount turbo, and go ahead and check that out. There's a bunch of videos. I'll try and put some links above you can click on. Let's go ahead and get home. Hopefully I also got rear mount camera. Hopefully I got some good footage on that. When I stopped, it said SD card full, but I don't know when that ran out, so we'll see. I'll edit it down, and hopefully we got some nice turbo sounds to listen to.